How to upload logo or favicon to Godaddy website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to upload a logo or a favicon into your Godaddy website. We're going to head over to godaddy.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to see the dashboard. Once you have did that, you're going to visit my products. So we're going to wait for the websites that we have created and then we're going to take a look. So here we have the websites. Now what can we do basically is to select one of the websites that we want to add a logo like that and also a favicon for it. Click on it and then we're going to wait for the dashboard of that website. As you can see, this is the logo. If you find a logo or you can have here a logo or you do not have a logo basically in here, you can go ahead and upload or add a logo. Click on here and it is going to upload your logo. Or you can go ahead and click on edit website. So we are going to do both of the methods together. So we have the favicon, also the logo. We're going to have them right there. So as you can see, this is the logo. You can go ahead and click on the header and we're going to have the settings at the right side of the screen. We can have the logo mentioned and we can change the image to something else. So based on the image, you can use a background for the image, also zoom in, zoom out, also the alignment or one alignment at time for the logo itself. You can design a logo or also you can use a text as your principal logo. Now that was for the logo. Let's say that we want to add a favicon. How you can do the favicon. So the favicon is going to be the image that will appear on the tab. As you can see at the header or the tab of our window, we have this picture which is going to be called favicon. How we can change this to something else, or maybe you can upload our logo instead of this one. We're going to head over the settings. Now we're going to read from the site profile a lot of things. And in between these things, we're going to have the favicon. Click on it and then we're going to have our favicon added. As you can see, I have already a favicon. I'm going to remove it. And we're going to upload a new one and put our PNG file as the same as the logo. As you can see, you have some recommendations about the format and also the shape of the photo, and also the recommended dimension, which is going to be a 180 by 180. So we're going to click on done, click on publish, wait for the website to be published, and then we are going to visit the website as you are going to get the link. Wait for a few seconds. Here we have it. Now we're going to click on view site and we're going to see that this specific favicon is going to be different from this one. And this is how you can add a favicon. So aside from that, you can go ahead and add how many favicons as you want, as long as you are going to have the correct format and also the correct dimension. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.